Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial how to zoom fit. So for example, you can create a rectangle and use pull tools to convert into 3D. Now if you want to zoom, you can use the scroll mouse like this. Okay, wheel mouse. And if you want to use the zoom fit, you can go to the right bottom and then you can see the zoom icon. So you can click on drop down menu to be show the 4 option. Now to zoom fit, you can use this option zoom extend, or you can type Z on the keyboard. You can click to zoom extend like this. Also, you can set for the selection, like I will select up this face, and we can press Z on keyboard to zoom extend on the selection. You can click offset and then use zoom extend again to zoom fit the object. Okay, that's it for basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial how to zoom fit. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.